The Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology is a government-aided institute and deemed university for the study and research of space science, located at Valiamala, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. It is the first university in Asia to be solely dedicated to the study and research of outer space. It was inaugurated on September 14, 2007 by G. Madhavan Nair, the then Chairman of ISRO. IIST was set up by the Indian Space Research Organisation under the Department of Space, Government of India. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, was the Chancellor of IIST. IIST offers regular engineering undergraduate, postgraduate and doctorate programs with focus on space science, technology and applications. History, envisioned to fulfill the requirements of scientists and engineers in the Indian space program, by offering undergraduate and postgraduate education and research programs in space science and technology. The institute started functioning from the Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre campus, Thiruvananthapuram, on September 14, 2007 with an initial investment of to the first 270 crores and annual recurring cost of to the first 40 crores by the Union government. The expenditure of each student during the course is supported by ISRO in the form of scholarships or assistantships, and successful students meeting a prescribed criteria are subsequently absorbed into ISRO as scientists. It is the only institute of its kind in India, which offers a B.Tech degree in space technology, and subjects exclusive to the arena of space science and technology. B.N. Suresh, former director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre, is the founding director of the institute. On July 14, 2008, the Union Human Resource Development Ministry, on the advice of the University Grants Commission, conferred deemed university status, under a new category, to the institute for a period of 5 years. Campus. At its inception, the institute started functioning at the ATF campus, under Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Modern environmentally friendly buildings of unique architecture merge well with the thickly wooded campus of 100 acres situated on the foothills of Sayodri. A state-of-the-art residential campus built near Liquid Propulsion Systems Centre in Valiamala, Nijamangad, Thiruvananthapuram was inaugurated by Dr. Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister of India on August 25, 2009. The institute started functioning in its new campus from August 15, 2010. The campus has an extension in the picturesque Ponmudi Hills, Thiruvananthapuram, for an observatory which is under construction. Academics. IIST offers undergraduate, master's and PhD programs in space science and technology, and also serves as a research center. Doctoral programs in basic sciences and postdoctoral programs are also offered. Till 2014 batch, 3 different courses in B.Tech were offered, namely B.Tech in Aerospace, Avionics and Physical Sciences. As of 2015 admissions, a new 5-year dual degree in Engineering Physics replaced the existing Physical Sciences branch. BM.Tech/MS can be done in any of the following: MS. In Astronomy and Astrophysics, MS. In Earth System Science, MS. In Solid-State Physics or M.Tech in Optical Engineering. The seats are limited to 20 in the dual degree program from the existing 36 in Physical Sciences. 60 students each are admitted to the Aerospace and Avionics branches. Admissions. The admissions to the undergraduate programs for 2013 and 2014 were made through the All India rank list prepared and published by the Central Board of Secondary Education, based on the Joint Entrance Examination, (Main). Previously, IIST admitted students through the IIT JEE rank lists from 2007 to 2009, and conducted its own entrance exam called ISAT, from 2010 to 2012. However, applicants will need to qualify the JEE Advanced exam, and marks obtained in the same will be used in determining the eligibility of the candidate. IIST offers 156 seats for admission to its B.Tech programs in Aerospace Engineering, Avionics and Physical Sciences. Over 1 lakh aspirants applied for these seats in ISAT 2012, making IIST one of the most selective institutes in India. The applications for admission to MTech courses are invited directly and students are shortlisted based on undergraduate academic performance, GATE score and projects undertaken by them. Departments Science Department of Mathematics, Department of Physics, Department of Chemistry, Department of Earth and Space Sciences. Technology Department of Aerospace Engineering, Department of Avionics. Humanities Department of Humanities. Rankings Being a specialized institution under the Department of Space, IIST does not participate in any rankings by private organizations. Observatory IIST also has a small observatory on campus equipped with an 8-inch Newtonian telescope. A 14-inch telescope will replace the 8-inch telescope in the near future. The telescope is housed in a dome on top of the Physical Sciences academic block. The dome is powered by 2 sets of solar panels. Student activities Student projects VYOM is the sounding rocket designed by the BTech students of IIST. Valiamala's maiden flight on the 11th of May, 2012 when it took to the sky from TRLS and the mission was a total success. The objective of the launch was to flight test the solid rocket motor and the accelerometer payload developed for the project. Viam is the first student-made sounding rocket in Asia and the Viam Mk2 is planned for launch in 2015. IIST also runs a student satellite project, which is also slated for launch in 2014 to 2015 on board the PSLV. Student clubs Aero Club, this is a student initiative at IIST to bring the creativity, experience, and ideas together. The club was formally inaugurated on November 4, 2013 with Dr. Pradeep Kumar and Dr. Praveen Krishna as its mentors. It serves as a platform to explore the student-unregistered trademark's latent talents and thereby enable them to come out with their innovative ideas and thoughts. Members of this club have organized an interactive sessions, workshops, competitions throughout the year. Club has also organized guest lecture on Mars orbiter mission by Dr. Ray Manan and a lecture on ISRO's LVTD project by Sri Shyam, and this club has also released its first annual magazine Updaya Mac 1.0. We, the Stargazers, this club exposes students to the wonders of space. In 2009, the club organized Attribution, an astronomy festival, to celebrate the International Year of Astronomy, the activities of which have since then been integrated into Conscientia, the Science and Technology Festival. Members of this club have organized 2 telescope-making workshops apart from night sky observation sessions and invited many eminent astrophysicists and space scientists for seminars and talks. The club also runs an observatory on campus. QC. This club conducts weekly quiz sessions where members challenge each other on a variety of topics like art, literature, sports, science and technology, films, politics, etc. QC also conducts quizzes during DANIC, the Cultural Festival, and Conscientia, the Technical Festival. Every year, QC organizes Fiction, its annual general quiz in Thiruvananthapuram. Previous editions of Fiction have seen participation from colleges all over Kerala. Physics Club, started in 2010, this club is a gathering ground for students who like to question the challenges of science. A wide variety of topics are dealt with in the Physics Club through weekly seminars by students and faculty. Vox Materia, under the Department of Chemistry, this club works on student projects on fabrication and development of advanced materials. It was set up in 2009 with the efforts of IIST's third batch of undergraduate students in the chemistry department. Student festivals The following student festivals are organized at IIST every year. Conscientia is the annual astronomy and technology festival of IIST. Conscientia offers various challenging events in different fields of engineering and science, including astronomy, aerospace engineering, electronics, computer science, mechanical engineering, robotics, etc. From the year 2010, the Astronomy Festival Apparimit has been incorporated into Conscientia. The 2010 edition was inaugurated by IIST's Chancellor, APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. In just a few years, Conscientia has evolved to become the largest technical festival in the state of Kerala. The 2014 edition of the festival is going to start on February 28, 2014. The official website of the festival. 3. Danik is the annual cultural festival of IIST. Named after the Urdu word for rainbow, it stands for the splash of color and sunshine that this festival brings with it. It spans all facets of cultural activity, including dramatics, fine arts, literature, quizzing, music, dance, filmmaking, and photography. IIST Model United Nations started as an intra-college event in March 2012. IIST-MUN has now become a national inter-college Model United Nations with United Nations General Assembly Council held successfully in September 2012 and 2013. International collaborations. IIST has collaborations with Universities Space Research Association and California Institute of Technology. The Satish Dhawan Fellowship at California Institute of Technology was announced by Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, Chairman, ISRO on June 3, 2013. The fellowship provides an opportunity every year starting from the winter session of the academic year 2013-14 to one meritorious graduating student from the Aerospace Department of IIST to be sponsored by the Department of Space, Government of India to pursue Masters in Aerospace Engineering at the California Institute of Technology. Preliminary talks are on for an MOU with EADS and a Permil Coal Polytechnique. See also, List of universities in India, List of autonomous higher education institutes in India, Department of Space, Indian Space Research Organisation, Indian Institutes of Technology, Indian Institute of Science, Instituto Tecnologico de Aeronautica. References. External links, IIST website, IIST BTech. Programs.